Guys, I'm going to show you how to generate these videos in just a few minutes. Okay, I would advise you watch from the beginning to the end, because trust me, this is like a step-by-step process, and if you don't watch each steps, you might get to miss one or two, and then you come back and say it didn't work. It's working. If it's not working, I will not be creating a video about it. And apart from that, whenever we drop a tool, like a new tool, please always go ahead to use it as soon as we drop it. So if I were you, I'll start using immediately. Without wasting much time, guys, let's dive right into this tutorial. Okay, now to get started, all we have to do is to come over to Chrome and search for Pi API. This is the one right here. Okay, I'll just go on and click on it. And yeah, this is a platform. When you come on this platform, guys, you can actually go on and log in using your Google account. Okay, there's video generation, there's image generation, there's audio, 3D templates, and everything. And now for the video generation, if you scroll down, you see Kling AI, Kling 3.0 mini, Kling 01, 2.6, and a whole lot of Kling version, a whole lot of Kling model. There's Halo, there's Iron, and other models right here, as you can see. Now for this tutorial, we're not going to be using any of this other than our Seedance. Okay, we're going to be using Seedance 2.0 or 2.5, as you can see right here. So for this, I'll use Seedance 2.0 because that's like the model I like a lot. But you can actually try out whichever model you want for this tutorial. Okay, so I'll click on the Seedance 2.0. That's the one I'm going to be using. Now this is it. It brings you over to workspace, right? Now, as you can see, I'll just go over and switch my phone to desktop sites and make sure see the entire interface properly. Okay, now this is the interface. Immediately I switch to desktop site. So as you can see, we have text to video, we have first frame and last frame, we have omni reference, we have face reference, and all of that. So for this video, yes, I'm going to be using text to video. That's what I want to use for this particular video. Right now, for the duration, I'll leave it in the default, which is 5 seconds. For the aspect ratio, I'll leave it in 16:9. Okay, I'm making YouTube video. This 21:9 can also work for YouTube, just like to have a smaller frame, but this 16:9 actually fits in perfectly for YouTube video. Now for the resolution, 480 pixel, yeah, that's okay. I'll leave that. Now for the standard, it says less restriction, fast. I'll just leave those things. Those are default settings. Okay, but before we generate our videos, guys, I'll just go on and sign in. You have to sign in, and you can sign in using your Google account. If you have a GitHub account, you can actually sign in. But for me, I'm going to just go on and click on Google and then pick my preferred Google account to use to log in. Okay, I'm signed in already, and this is the next interface that it brought me to. Right, if you just scroll down, you'll see where you can paste your prompt. Okay, I already have my prompt copied from my clipboard, so I'll just go ahead, paste my prompt. It's just a simple prompt I'm giving it, so you can see how this workflow is. Okay, and then I'll go on and paste. I'll collapse my keyboard, and then I'll go on, scroll down to the next option, which is for the upload file. Actually go ahead and upload a picture, like a reference image if you have one, but for me, I'm doing text to video. Okay, so I'll just scroll down to the duration, 5 seconds. That's okay. Now for the aspect ratio, 16:9. For the quality, it says either fast or standard. I'll leave it in standard. So it says new users get free credit to try fast mode 5-second video generation. Okay, now I'll just go on and click on generate and wait for it to load. It's generating our video already, guys. So if you don't see it loading, you can just flip your phone over, just like I did right now. Flip your phone and you see it. Look at it, it's generating the video already, guys. You know, if when you're using a phone, the interface might be pretty small, so I'll just flip it on. Yeah. So this is it right here. It's generating, as you can see. It's generating our video, generating your video. This may take up to 5 to 10 minutes. So we'll just wait for it to generate our video. So you can go on and try this platform. And if you need the prompts for this video, you can just go on and join my Telegram community to get the prompts easily to generate your videos as well. Okay, so yeah, you can download the video, you can play it on full screen. Okay, this is the video, guys. Are you seeing how beautiful it looks? So if you need the prompt, you can just join our Telegram community. I'll drop every prompt I use in this video, and of course, yeah, our video is downloaded, so do well to try this platform and give me feedback in the comments. And if you're yet to subscribe, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and of course drop me a wonderful comment. Okay, that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.